Dear viewers, if you want to use Kinemaster as your video editing software, first you need to go to Google Play Store to download this software, Kinemaster. In Google Play Store, you will search uh, Kinemaster. 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 Then, if you search Kinemaster, you will get this software at first. Then you will download it and install it in your mobile phone, and you will open this software to work smoothly. But I have installed this software before, that's why today I am not going to searching and install this software. I'll go direct in the software Kinemaster. Here I have installed it. I will open this software to work. It will take some time to work Kinemaster software if you opened it. Here I have taken a project. If I want to take a new project, you will get after opening you will get like this windows, and you will go to the middle section. Here select aspect ratio. For YouTube video, we generally use 16:9 ratio. This is the perfect ratio for YouTube channel. So I am gonna there touch, and the Kinemaster software has opened here. If you want to, you can make two types of video here. First, your recorded video, or you can also make video with your photo. If you want to make video with your photo, you will have to uh, take background. So from media, you will select your background. Here are different types of colors for your background. Generally, we'll use black or white. Today, I'm gonna select white. Then you will touch in the right button here. So our background has been selected. For making video with photos, we will take background, but only uh, we can use photos or our recorded video without selecting background also. So today I'm going to show you taking photo to make video. So if you want to make video by taking photos, first we'll select background. Without selecting background, you can also take this photo from your memory. So before going to selecting our photos, we'll have to go to layer. Here is layer option, and from layer we'll select image to make video using photos. Image, here image. So I have here my image. You can select hundreds, many photos to make a consecutive video. Here I have select a photo, and then I will make this photo, and you can make it larger, or you can make it shorter by using this arrow sign. So I have taken here a photo of a lady. So I made it complete in on the screen. Then I will touch in the right button here, and if I want to take another photos, then I can take another uh, another background. So today I don't like to. Here I have selected these photos to make video. If I want to select another uh, photos without selecting background, I can take that. So going to or selecting another photo, we must go to layer. To take any photos, we cannot go to our media. We will have to select from our layer. Here, if you select background, after selecting background, if you want to take any photo, you will have to go to layer. If you don't select background, you can go directly to media to select any photo. So first, here I have first picture I have selected background, but in second picture I will not select any background. That's why I can select photo going directly to our uh, media. So here I will select a nice picture. You can see here that I have selected here a picture without selecting background. In first picture I have selected background, but in second picture I don't select any background. So by selecting photos, we can make our video by giving voice. So you can notice that in first picture I have taken a background, but here is the difference. If I want to move this picture, the picture is steady here, but in the picture without background, if I move, this picture is also going to be larger and smaller. That's why this is the difference of taking background or and not taking background. First picture I have taken background, and if I move, the picture is steady. The picture is not moving. But in second picture I haven't taken any background. That's why this picture is moving when I'm going to move this video. So after taking several pictures, we can give voice. Here is the voice section. If you want to give voice in the picture, you can go to this voice. So today I will show you only the basic things of this software. Here, the media is to take the photo or to select background or to select any type of video. Here you can see background, favorites, cloud storage. After going to media, you will go to your SD card or you will go to your memory card of your mobile phone. So if you want to select any background, you will touch in the background, or if you don't like to select background, you will go to direct in your photos or in your videos. If I want to select a video here, I can show you like this. Here I will select any video from here. uh, I will select media, and then I will go to uh, my media storage, and I'll select any video. Here I have lots of videos. uh, I can select a video here. So without selecting background, we can take any video, but when you will go to select any photos, you can take background, or you cannot, or you don't need to take background. So in your layer section you will get several. First is for taking image or for taking photos. Second is effect. If you want to take or add any extra effect in your videos, you can select effect. Then overlay is to uh, select any type of sticker. Then text is to write anything on your videos. So today I would like to finish here by this basic lesson. Thank you everybody.